Does the UK rail infrastructure have the capability to meet future demands? Cable theft, cable degradation, and rising maintenance costs are increasing pressure on the UK rail network. Bender RS2 and RS3 rail signalling protection systems have served the railway industry well, but with some of these models now in the field for over 15 years, the future demands more. The RS4 system is our most advanced signal power protection solution. It is designed to meet modern challenges head-on and offers unparalleled speed, connectivity and reliability. RS2 and RS3 components are becoming increasingly obsolete, so now is the time to upgrade to RS4 and secure the future of your operations. How does the RS4 support you with meeting future demands? Improved fault detection speed. The RS4 is the fastest in the series, providing advanced warning of insulation degradation and developing earth faults. Enhanced connectivity. The RS4 has full remote connectivity to facilitate real-time direct communication. Eliminate risk of obsolescent parts. All components for the RS4 are readily available, so you can keep your equipment maintained efficiently. RS4 Tier 1, 2 and 3 solutions deliver smart cable insulation monitoring and fault location to monitor, provide early warning and pinpoint insulation problems, preventing rail downtime and improving operations. Bender UK has a proven track record in the rail industry with more than 1,500 rail signal protection systems installed across the UK's rail networks over the last 2 decades. Contact us today to book your free site inspection and health check and secure your rail operations for the future with your long-term strategic partner.